Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change ID in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to change your username in GitHub, you will be needing just to go to the settings and from there we will be able to start changing it. And to do so, you can simply go to the settings, and from here you will have these three line icons, and you won't find the settings from here, and it is basically located from your profile picture. And from here, you will be needing just to go to the settings, and from the settings, you will be able to find your uh, username. And from here, we will find the first thing to be is the public profile. And the public profile is only the name that will be shown to the public or to other people visiting your account. And to change your username, you will be needing to go to the account settings. So from the account settings, we will be able to find this change username. And from here, you will be able to change your username by clicking on this. And then you will be needing just to uh, read carefully these things, and basically changing your username means that you want that you will be needing to set up your redirects for your old profile page. You will need to set up redirects for page sites. You will need to create redirects for your repository because everything would have like the older URL, and basically you will be needing to change anything related to your username. And also renaming you will may take few minutes to complete, and basically you will need just to click on I understand, let's change my username, and then you will be needing just to use the input, or you will need just to add the new username, make sure it is verified, and basically after you confirm you will have your username that will be changed, and basically that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.